Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderful and amazing people? I know that it has been a month of Sundays since you guys have seen me, but okay, if you're not following me on the Facebooks, then you probably won't know. And if you're not following me, I don't know why you're not, okay? You can just click the link down in the description. Make sure you click the link, though, and you'll know what's going on with me. I don't even want to bring that over here to the YouTubes, okay? Just know that I will say this. It has been a very, very interesting week, okay? It has been a very, very interesting week, and your girl is, I'm scrookling, okay? Right now I'm scrookling. But I have a new journey that I'm starting actually today. So I'm doing that. But that ain't what I'm here to talk about. If you want to know what's going on with me, go on over to my Facebook page. Make sure you click the link in the description box down below. But anyway, I came here to tell you guys about a couple of work-at-home jobs that are hiring right now. As a matter of fact, I'm going to move my screen down a little bit smaller so that I can share my screen with you guys, okay? So, first and foremost, I actually got a message this morning from one of my informants, my work-at-home informants, and he was letting me know that Teleperformance is actively hiring right now. They have a new project that they are so they're actively hiring. So if you're looking for a work-at-home job, head over to my website. Teleperformance is the very first link that I posted in the job leads for today, okay? But I'm going to click on it so that I can read you guys a little bit of the description. So you will basically it is a phone job. So if you're not looking for a phone gig, this is definitely not going to be the opportunity for you. But you'll basically be answering the phone, and you'll be answering customer questions and inquiries and that type of thing, okay? You'll also be assisting the customers with the correct price plan. I'm not sure what the client is. I'm not exactly sure, so I can't give you a whole lot of rundown of it. But just know that you must be 18 years of age or older, a high school graduate, and have a little bit of a, be able to communicate with customers and everything. So just have to have a professional speaking voice, all right? And of course, there are a ton of other companies that are hiring. Kelly Connect is still hiring. Y'all, okay? I've been getting a lot of inboxes from y'all telling me that y'all have been either did an interview with Kelly Connect for the Apple project, or you've actually gotten hired. A lot of you guys are telling me that you did the interview, but you didn't get hired. I guess the reason being because a lot of you guys did tell me that you didn't have an adequate space for the work-at-home job. Again, I'm going to tell you, okay, if you do not have an adequate space for the work-at-home gig, because again, when you do they're going to do a phone interview first. After the phone interview, they're going to actually interview you on video, okay, Skype, whatever. After you do that phone interview and you do that video interview, they're going to want to see your space. So if you don't have an adequate space to work from home, not in your kitchen next to your stove or whatever, no, you have to have an adequate space to work from home with a door, because they want it to be professional, okay? So a lot of you guys that are not getting these gigs, you're telling me that you didn't have an adequate space. So make sure. Now, I'm not saying that if you do have an adequate space, you're going to get hired. I'm just saying that your chances will be way higher if you have an adequate space when they ask you to see it, okay? So just make sure that you have all of that set up. You ain't got to go get no whole nother apartment with a new room, and you got to go get no whole nother house with a room. Just get you a space that you can clear off. One girl even told me she had a closet, okay? It was a nice size walk-in closet with a door. She set up a little desk in there, and she showed, this is where I'm going to be working. That's all you need, okay? That's all that you need, okay? So make sure that you have an adequate space to work from. Also, Alorica, okay? Alorica is also hiring. Now, the thing that I love about this position with Alorica is that training is at your own pace. So you don't have to worry about, okay, I'm going to be working from, just say, 1 p.m. until 9 p.m. So I got to train 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. But I got my other job that I'm working, so I got to figure out how I'm going to do that and work my main job as well. Training is at your own pace, okay? So whenever you have the opportunity to do your training, that's when you'll, can do your training. But of course, you want to get it done in a timely fashion. That way you can go ahead and enter into production or whatever. Now, the hours of operation for this position is 7 a.m. until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, and Saturday 7 a.m. until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. They are closed on Sundays, okay? So if you're a person who's looking to be off on Sunday, check out Alorica. Again, the link to the job is over there on my website. All of that will be in the description box down below. Let's see who else. I'm sorry. West Marine is also hiring digital. Girl, slow down, thick chick. Digital response customer service associates. All right. So You can work from anywhere. They don't have a state restriction. They are hiring for the holidays. So a lot of companies, I'm letting you guys know right now. Ow. I'm letting you guys know right now. If you are a person looking for a work-at-home job, there are going to be a ton of openings that are going to be coming up over the next couple of weeks, months, because a lot of these folks, especially if you're a person that's looking just to make a little bit of extra coins, okay, a lot of these people are going to be hiring seasonal workers. And oftentimes the seasonal workers, and what a seasonal worker is a person who works during a peak season, like, you know, holidays, Mother's Day, different things like that. A lot of times the people who are only working the seasonal work, sometimes they'll have an opening that will become available, or a couple of openings that will become available. And if you're a person who you perform good during your seasonal position, they will offer you that full-time permanent position. So just make sure that you're doing what you need to do. So be on the lookout. If you're looking for a work-at-home job, trust me. Follow my blog. Link is in the description box. I update it every single day. If I don't update it every day, every other day. Okay, so I always update my blog. And also you can follow me on my legitimate work-at-home job Facebook page. That link will also be in the description box as well. I always post when I posted new leads over there on my Facebook page, okay? And again, I always like to reference that you do not have to stop under today's date. So I have a ton of leads that are posted under today's date, but scroll down to some of the previous dates. Like yesterday, I posted a lot of companies. Next Rep is hiring inbound sales representatives. U-Haul is looking for inside sales and reservations agents, okay? Moritz is looking for market research interviewers. I've told you guys about this position before. I actually went through the whole training situation with Moritz, and I got a little freaked out because, again, I was one of those people. I was like, I really wanted a work-at-home job, but I was like, I don't really know if I want to do no phone work. So I didn't go through with it. So, but Moritz is a good company to work for. Basically, with Moritz, all you're going to be doing is just say, for instance, you go to get your car, your oil changed in your car. Moritz works with a lot of different companies, basically as a to get customer satisfaction. So they'll basically call and ask you how was your service visit, that type of thing, and ask you how things went and all that stuff. I'm pretty sure, I don't know about y'all, but I get those phone calls all the time when I go and have services done. I get people that call and they want to know how the service went. That is what Moritz does, okay? So they're hiring. I posted all of that yesterday. Enterprise is also hiring. GC Services is still hiring. They're actually hiring for home-based chat. So if you're looking for a home-based chat position, go over to GC to my website and look under September the 13th. GC Services is posted under that date. They're also hiring for customer service representatives as well. The day before, a couple of days before that, I talked about Segwitch. They're hiring. OkCupid, Amazon, Fable Labs. Y'all, it's a lot of people that are hiring workers from home right now. So again, head over to my website. Link is in the description box down below. But the one in particular that I want you guys to check out is Teleperformance, because again, my informant, my work-at-home informant, let me know that they're actively hiring for a new project right now. So them, Kelly Connect, Alorica, those are some of the ones that I would specifically tell you to go over and apply for right away. So yeah, go over and check out my website. The link is in the description box down below, and look around and see if there's anything over there that piques your interest. And also, if you want to know what's going on with your girl, head over to my Facebook page, because y'all, I'm trying to be positive over here. I really am. I don't even want to bring it to the YouTubes. Okay, I'm gonna keep everything positive. I'm feeling good. I'm good. I'm 100% good. Like I said, I'm starting me a new journey today, because I just need to. But anyway, head over to my website. Link in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.